seals like this can be very hard to remove sometimes. There are some tools available to do that, but like the normal ones, like that hook here, can't be used if there's an axle coming through here. For that purpose I built this tool. It's basically a slide hammer. This here is just a piece of pipe with washers welded in the ends. This of course just a threaded rod. At the end here is a nut. Can be changed of course. Nut with a wood screw. Just welded on there. It works like that. You drill a hole in the seal and just thread this in the hole, and of course the slide hammer threads in there. Then you just use the slide hammer to get it out. This usually works pretty well because these are pretty strong. There's metal inside, so this holds pretty well. I used this recently in another video. I'll cut in a demonstration here. Thanks for watching. Small hole here. That. Pretty nice.